I come from a writing background, so as far as I'm concerned, it's all down to the writing. Writing matters. People who are writers, who are the people in our culture who tell us stories, it matters who they are, and it matters that we open the doors to people who tell stories from lots of different backgrounds, because that's how we get a plethora of multicultural stories that we can share. We should all see ourselves at some point in our lives as heroes, because you are the hero in your own life, right? Unless you take charge and do things, nothing really will happen to you. And if you don't see that in media, you start to think that somebody else is supposed to take charge. So I think writing matters. That's always a theme behind what I do. So I'm going to start by looking at some of the writers of Doctor Who across the years. It's always important who invented a thing. And our first people are Sidney Newman and Verity Lambert. A woman, a producer, not a writer, helped invent the show of Doctor Who. It's Anthony Coburn who wrote the first episode. And then we'll go down through the years and see all these guys and what their effects on the show have been leading up to the modern day.